friends, class 7, chapter number 9, lines and angles. In the previous video, we discussed about basic of lines and angles. In which we discussed about line segment, ray and line and their difference. We discussed about type of angles and we discussed about adjacent angles. Adjacent angle is a pair of angles in which one vertex is common, one arm is common and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. It's mean angles का एक ऐसा पेयर जिनमें एक आर्म कॉमन हो, ये दो एंगल हमारे पास है तो इनमें ये वाली वर्टेक्स कॉमन है और ये वाली आर्म दोनों में कॉमन है and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. Then these angles are called adjacent angles. Now we discuss about linear pair. Linear pair angles. Two adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree. अगर आप कोई भी दो adjacent angle इस तरह से बनाओ कि उनका एडिशन 180 डिग्री हो, या आप इसको ऐसे भी स्टडी कर सकते हैं कि adjacent angles whose non-common arms are opposite rays. Suppose we have to draw two adjacent angles. So firstly we draw an angle ABC. Now we have to draw another angle which is adjacent to this angle but non-common arms are opposite rays. So suppose we draw another angle like this. तो ये वाली आर्म कॉमन है बट देयर नॉन कॉमन आर्म्स आर नॉट अपोजिट टू ईच अदर. सो वी हैव टू ड्रॉ आर्म ऑफ दिस एंगल in this position. So in both angles we notice that the point B is a common vertex, BA is a common arm and their non-common arms are opposite to each other. Then these angles are called linear pair angles. तो आप इसको ऐसे भी कॉल कर सकते हो कि ऐसे दो adjacent एंगल जिनका सम 180 डिग्री के इक्वल होगा are called adjacent angles. तो आई श्योर linear pair angles आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा. Just note down with figure. Opposite angles. When two lines intersect to each other, then angles opposite to each other are called vertically opposite angles. Simply जब दो लाइंस एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, ये दो लाइन है इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर, लाइन CD एंड लाइन AB इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर एट पॉइंट P. Then opposite angles opposite to each other. These two angles are opposite to each other. So this pair of angles is called vertically opposite angles. या फिर हम इस वाले पेयर को these two pairs are vertically opposite angles या फिर these two pairs are vertically opposite angle. यानी कि एंगल APC कोमा angle DPB, it is a pair of vertically opposite angle. Angle BPC comma angle APD, it is also a pair of vertically opposite angle. And remember, vertically opposite angles are always equal. Vertically opposite angles हमेशा equal कॉल किए जाएंगे. So we can say that angle APC equal to angle DPB and angle BPC is equal to angle APD. So it's a definition of vertically opposite angle and it's a figure. So note down the definition with figure. Okay students, now we discuss about complementary angle and supplementary angles. Complementary angles, a pair of two angles whose sum is 90 डिग्री. ऐसे दो एंगलों का पेयर जिनका सम एग्जैक्टली 90 डिग्री के बराबर होगा, इट इज देन दे एंगल्स आर कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. and remember each of them is called complement of other. For example, 50 degree comma 40 degree, this pair of angle is a pair of complementary angle, and we can say that 40 degree is complement of 50 degree and 50 degree is complement of 40 degree, यानी कि ये दोनों एक दूसरे के कॉम्प्लीमेंट हैं. And similarly supplementary angles, in the supplementary angles a pair of two angles, supplementary angles, a pair of two angles whose sum is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angle. Supplementary angles, and each of them is called the supplement of each other. For example,